Hello everyone, I'm Valerie from MotoPress. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're looking at some of the best alternatives of the Events Calendar plugin. Real plugins that can actually replace it, depending on what you need. Now, the Events Calendar has been around for a long time, and over the years, it built a really solid reputation as a reliable event management solution. Before we jump into the alternatives, we'll take a quick look at why it became so popular in the first place. Because honestly, there is a reason so many WordPress users start with it. But even great plugins aren't perfect for every project, so we'll also talk about where it falls short, and that'll help you figure out which alternative actually fits your needs. Alright, let's get into it. So, what is the Events Calendar? It's a WordPress plugin that lets you create, organize, and display events directly on your website using calendar layouts. It adds a custom event system to WordPress where each event can include a date and time, a location, organizer details, and event categories and tags. There is a free core version and then a set of paid add-ons that extend things further. Things like recurring events, ticket sales, virtual events, front-end event submission, and calendar imports from Google Calendar or iCal. It's widely used by events agencies, educational websites, nonprofits, and community platforms. Now let's talk about what users actually like about it and where things sometimes get tricky. Because this plugin didn't become popular by accident. One of its biggest strengths is trust. It's one of the most established event plugins out there, hundreds of thousands of active installations, and a 4.3 out of 5 rating on WordPress.org. That kind of long-term track record makes people feel confident choosing it. A lot of users also appreciate how capable the free version is. For basic event listings, it often gets the job done without needing paid upgrades right away. Another strong point is the variety of calendar views. You've got month view, list view, day view, and a few other layouts, so it's easy to present events in a way that suits your site. It also integrates well with popular themes and page builders, which means you can put together a professional-looking calendar without too much trouble, and as your project grows, the plugin can grow with it. You can extend functionality through add-ons, so there is a whole ecosystem built around it. But, and this is the important part, that flexibility does come with some trade-off. The most common concern users bring up is pricing. A lot of people find that they only need 1 or 2 extra features, but still end up paying for several extensions to get there. There is also the complexity side of things. As you add more features, the setup can get harder to manage. What starts as a simple calendar can slowly turn into something that needs a lot of careful configuration. Performance is another thing that comes up. On sites with a large number of events, some users report slower loading times or heavier database usage. Styling can take extra effort too. The plugin looks decent out of the box, but customizing the design often means working with CSS, which not everyone is compatible doing. And finally, some people feel it's just too much for smaller projects. If all you need is a simple calendar with a few recurring events, the full system can feel heavier than it needs to be. So when you put it all together, the events calendar is powerful, flexible, and widely trusted. but it can also get complex, costly, or heavier than some projects actually call for. And that's usually when people start looking for something else. So, what makes a good alternative? Because switching plugins isn't just about trying something new. It's about finding something that fits your workflow better. From what we see in real user feedback, most people want something that's simpler to manage. Not necessarily less powerful, just easier to get started with. They also tend to want more built-in features without having to rely on a bunch of separate add-ons, things like recurring events, tickets, or registrations, ideally available right inside the main plugin. Pricing is a big factor too. People don't always mind paying for a professional tool, but they do want clear expectations. One price, one package, fewer surprises down the line. Performance matters as well. If your site runs a lot of events, you need something that stays fast and don't weigh down your pages. And flexibility still counts. Even when going with the simpler option, people expect modern layouts, clean calendar views, and enough customization to match the site's look. So, with all that in mind, let's go through the alternatives. The first one is MotoPress Events Calendar. This plugin was built with a slightly different philosophy. The focus is on giving you the core event functionality right out of the box, without needing to piece things together from multiple extensions. And for a lot of users, that's exactly what makes the difference. One of the first things people notice is that the workflow feels structured and predictable. You create an event, add the details, set the schedule, assign categories, tags, and allocation, and you publish. That's all. The setup feels a lot calmer, especially for users who don't want to manage a whole plugin ecosystem. And all the key features are already included, so you're starting with a complete toolkit from day one. Performance is something people pay attention to as well, because you're not loading a bunch of external extensions. The setup stays lighter and easier to handle. Customization is still flexible. You get modern calendar layouts, so your events can be displayed in a way that fits your site's design, and the interface stays approachable throughout. You don't feel overwhelmed navigating the settings. You're not spending hours figuring out where everything lives. For small businesses, schools, event organizers, or local communities, that balance between power and simplicity is often exactly what they're looking for. Pricing is also easier to plan around. When the core features are bundled together from the start, there is less uncertainty. You know what you're getting and what you're paying for. Recurring events, for example, are the part of the plugin from the beginning, not a separate purchase. So, overall, MotoPress Events Calendar is a strong option for users who want reliable features without unnecessary complexity. But it's not the only option worth exploring. Depending on your workflow and the type of events you manage, something else might be a better fit. So stay tuned for other options. Next up is Sugar Calendar. It's often chosen for its clean interface and straightforward setup. Creating events feels quick, even if you haven't used an event plugin before. It supports recurring events, and there is a front-end event submission feature, which is really useful for community-based sites. So visitors can submit events directly through a form on your website. There is also an enhanced dashboard widget that shows upcoming events right inside WordPress. The next 5 scheduled events with details on venues, speakers, and attendee counts for pro users. Custom event URLs give you more control over how event pages are structured and shared. And if you're coming from the events calendar, there is a built-in migration tool to help transfer your existing events. And with Stripe integration with the ticketing features, you can securely accept payments for paid events. After that, we have EventON. This one is especially popular for its visual style. The calendar layouts look polished right from the start, which is a big draw for a lot of users. It supports event categories, locations, and time zone settings, which helps when you're organizing events for different places or audiences. You can create an unlimited number of events, so it works just as well for a small calendar as it does for a packed schedule. There is also a schedule view and a live now option, so visitors can quickly see what's happening at any given moment. One thing to keep in mind is that many of the advanced features come through add-ons. Ticket selling, for example, typically goes through a WooCommerce extension, and things like RSVP tools or interactive seat maps are added separately if you need them. If accessibility is a priority for you, my calendar is definitely worth a look. It's a reliable and flexible option, offering several layout views, so you can display events in a way that fits your site. You get useful widgets for showing upcoming events, along with email notifications to keep your visitors informed. Built-in structured data helps search engines understand your events better, which can give you a boost in search visibility. Visitors can also export events or subscribe via iCal or Google Calendar to stay up to date. And if you upgrade to the Pro version, you can allow user-submitted events and even share event data across multiple sites. Next is EventPrime, and this one is designed to be more feature complete right from the start. It covers the essentials most event sites need: ticketing, recurring events, and a structured calendar layout that keeps everything organized. You can manage event listings and directories and handle multi-day events with no trouble. It also supports online and virtual events, which is useful if you're running hybrid setups or remote sessions. For payments, there is built-in support for PayPal and Stripe. There is also a front-end user area where attendees can manage their bookings and event-related activity. And if you need more, premium extensions cover things like MailChimp integration and attendee management tools. Moving on, let's talk about Eventin. This one is built to simplify event management inside WordPress, and it's often used by event organizers and marketing teams who need a practical way to create and promote events. You can manage different types of events from small sessions to large conferences and keep everything organized through a structured schedule view. It also works well for things like online courses or multi-speaker events where timing and coordination really matter. For calendar syncing, it supports iCal, Google Calendar, and Outlook, so your events stay connected across platforms. There is email automation, attendee tracking to monitor registrations and participation, and in newer updates, Eventin even includes AI-assisted event creation, which can speed up the setup process quite a bit. The next one on our list is Calendarize. It's a WordPress calendar plugin that combines core event management tools with a wide range of optional add-ons. You can create and display events in a structured way and extend the functionality as your site needs it. It may feel a bit less design-focused compared to some of the more modern plugins, but it covers all the core event features you'd expect. You get multiple layout options to adjust how your calendar looks, and It works well with page builders like WP Bakery and Gutenberg. It's also multilingual ready, which is great if your audience spans different countries or languages. Overall, Calendarize It tends to be a good fit for users who want a flexible calendar system with plenty of widgets and customization options, especially when budget is a consideration. Then there is WP Event Manager. This one follows a modular approach. There is a core plugin, and you can extend it with add-ons only when you need to. Things like ticket selling or recurring events. It comes with a structured event calendar for a clean layout and event classification tools to help you group and manage your events. There is also full WooCommerce support, which makes it easier to handle paid events and bookings. And front-end event submission is available too, so visitors can submit events directly from your website. And finally, if your site is built around WooCommerce, WPEvently might be a good fit. It connects event management with your e-commerce workflow, so you can handle payments, registrations, and ticketing all in one place. You can set up different payment methods, use ready-made templates to speed up event creation, and send attendees automatic confirmations. Editing participant details is easy whenever you need to make changes. And one useful detail, it supports Google Maps right inside the event setup, which makes location-based events much easier to follow. And that wraps up our list. So there you have it, a full lineup of alternatives worth considering if the events calendar no longer feels like the right fit. Each plugin we covered today has its own strength. Some focus on simplicity, some on visual design, some on WooCommerce integration, and some on being feature complete right out of the box. The right choice really depends on your project size, your budget, and the features you actually need. But the good news is you're no longer limited to one option. There are solid, well-supported plugins out there that can match your workflow much better. If you're not sure where to start, MotoPress Events Calendar is a great first stop, especially if you want built-in features, clean layouts, and a setup that doesn't overwhelm you. We'll leave a link in the description so you can explore it further. And if this video helped you narrow things down, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a video from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.